Welcome back to the channel, health enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the best ways to kickstart your day with a nutritious breakfast. Today, we're diving into a breakfast battle for the ages: eggs versus oatmeal. These two breakfast staples have been the subject of many debates, and we're here to settle the score once and for all. Eggs and oatmeal are both beloved morning meals, each with its own set of fans and unique benefits. But which one truly reigns supreme when it comes to health, taste, and versatility? Let's take a closer look at what each of these breakfast champions has to offer. First up, let's talk about eggs. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in countless ways: scrambled, fried, poached, or boiled. They're a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Additionally, eggs contain important nutrients like vitamin B12, riboflavin, and selenium. But what about the cholesterol content? While it's true that eggs contain cholesterol, recent studies have shown that for most people, dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels. Now let's turn our attention to oatmeal. Oatmeal is a whole grain powerhouse that's packed with fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. It's also a great source of vitamins and minerals including manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. Oatmeal is incredibly filling and can keep you satisfied for hours, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. So, how do these two breakfast options stack up against each other? When it comes to protein content, eggs take the lead, providing about 6 grams of protein per egg. Oatmeal, on the other hand, offers around 5 grams of protein per cooked cup. However, oatmeal shines in the fiber department, with a single serving providing about 4 grams of fiber compared to eggs, which contain virtually no fiber. Both options can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Add some veggies and cheese to your eggs, or top your oatmeal with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Ultimately, the best choice for your breakfast plate depends on your individual nutritional needs and taste preferences. Whether you prefer the savory satisfaction of eggs or the comforting warmth of oatmeal, both can be part of a balanced and healthy diet. Get ready to fuel your body and mind with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your breakfast. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses packed with essential nutrients to kickstart your day. One large egg provides around 6 grams of protein, crucial for building and repairing tissues. Eggs are also rich in vitamins like B12, riboflavin, and choline, essential for energy production and brain health. Additionally, they contain vital minerals like selenium and zinc, supporting immune function and thyroid health. Don't underestimate the power of an egg to fuel your morning. Oatmeal, a breakfast staple for centuries, has been cherished across cultures for its simplicity and nutritional benefits. This humble grain has stood the test of time, evolving from a basic porridge to a versatile ingredient in many modern dishes. Renowned for its heart-healthy properties, oatmeal is more than just a comfort food. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly impact your cardiovascular health. One of the key components of oats is a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber is not only beneficial for digestion, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health. Beta-glucan works wonders by lowering LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. This reduction is vital because high levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Studies have shown that consuming oatmeal regularly can lead to a significant decrease in LDL cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. This makes oatmeal an excellent choice for those looking to improve their heart health naturally. Furthermore, oatmeal is a good source of essential minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. These minerals are not only vital for heart health but also play a role in various bodily functions. Magnesium is crucial for maintaining normal muscle and nerve function, keeping a steady heartbeat, and supporting a healthy immune system. Phosphorus is important for the formation of bones and teeth, while manganese is involved in bone formation, blood clotting, and reducing inflammation. Choosing oatmeal can be a step towards a healthier heart and overall well-being. Incorporating it into your daily diet can provide long-term benefits, not just for your heart, but for your entire body. So, the next time you sit down for breakfast, remember that a bowl of oatmeal is more than just a meal. It's a step towards a healthier, happier you. Let's compare eggs and oatmeal head-to-head in a nutritional showdown. The table below provides a clear breakdown of their macronutrient and calorie content per 100 grams. As you can see, eggs are lower in calories and carbohydrates while being higher in fat. Oatmeal, on the other hand, is richer in carbohydrates and fiber, making it a more filling option. Understanding these differences can help you choose the best option based on your individual needs. The ideal breakfast choice depends on your health goals and dietary preferences. Are you aiming for weight management? Eggs, with their lower calorie and higher protein content, can help you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Looking to manage cholesterol levels and promote heart health? Oatmeal's high fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, can be beneficial. Ultimately, the best choice aligns with your individual needs and preferences. Who says you have to choose just one? You can enjoy the benefits of both eggs and oatmeal by incorporating them into your breakfast routine creatively. Try a scramble with your favorite veggies and a side of oatmeal. Alternatively, bake oatmeal pancakes with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a side of fruit. The possibilities are endless. While both eggs and oatmeal offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to be mindful of potential downsides. These foods, though nutritious, may not be suitable for everyone, and understanding their possible drawbacks can help you make more informed dietary choices. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are higher in cholesterol. This has been a point of concern for many people, especially those who are conscious about their heart health. The cholesterol in egg yolks has led to debates and discussions among nutritionists and health experts for years. However, recent studies have shown that dietary cholesterol has a less significant impact on blood cholesterol levels than previously thought. This means that for most people, consuming eggs in moderation is unlikely to raise cholesterol levels dramatically. It's always a good idea to stay updated with the latest research and guidelines. If you have concerns about cholesterol, consult your doctor. They can provide personalized advice based on your health profile. It's important to consider your overall diet and lifestyle when evaluating the impact of eggs on your health. Oatmeal, while rich in fiber, can cause bloating and gas in some individuals. This is because the high fiber content can be difficult for some digestive systems to handle, especially if you're not used to consuming a lot of fiber. Start with smaller portions and gradually increase intake to allow your body to adjust. This can help minimize discomfort and allow your digestive system to get used to the higher fiber content. Additionally, drinking plenty of water can aid in the digestion of fiber-rich foods like oatmeal. It's also worth noting that not all oatmeal is created equal. Some pre-packaged oatmeal products can contain added sugars and artificial ingredients. Always read the nutrition labels to ensure you're choosing a healthier option. Opt for plain whole oats and add your own toppings like fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds. This way, you can control the ingredients and make a more nutritious meal. By being aware of these potential downsides and making mindful choices, you can enjoy the benefits of eggs and oatmeal while minimizing any negative effects. Remember, balance and moderation are key to a healthy diet. In the battle of eggs versus oatmeal, there's no clear winner. Both are nutritious choices offering unique benefits. The key takeaway is to choose the option that aligns best with your individual health goals, dietary needs, and preferences. Whether you prefer a protein-packed start or a fiber-rich bowl of goodness, make breakfast a delicious and nutritious part of your day. Did you find this breakfast showdown helpful? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting health and wellness tips. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Stay tuned for more informative content, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.